come into my abode. Welcome to my channel. Welcome guys, back to my channel, the Support Worker. Hope you're all are well. So we've got another unboxing. Yeah, they're coming very, very rapidly at the moment, which I'm very, very happy to say. So, rather than wait, let's get into this. So as you can see, it's quite a big box. I've got my magical scissors, as always, nice and sharp. Let's get right into this. Let's see what I bought today. Right. You probably have a lot of packaging here to get through, so I'm going to make this quick and easy. So what I've had to do is adjust the camera so it's quite far away so you guys can see it. But nevertheless, it does the job. How's everyone doing? We're still in lockdown in the UK here. Apparently, they said that we're going to be coming out of the lockdown in April. Apparently. But anyway, stay safe guys, stay safe. So as always, with anything, it's quite large because it's a large package, you do get a lot of foamage. So I'm just going to, as always, get rid of the foamage. Before I do that, I've noticed that there's some screws, an Allen key here, some screws. I don't know if you can see that guys. I will take a closer picture of this so you can see. If I put that to one side, phone to one side, then I have, it's like a bracket as well here, and that's a bracket. Then if you can see that, you take out a package here. So maybe you can see that clearly, so if I bring that over, yeah, here we go. It's like a clamp. Anyway, I'll put that to one side. Going further deep into the box. Oh, this is big. What is this? Okay, let's pull this out from here. But it does weigh a bit, guys. My goodness. Wow, okay. Turn the box. Try and pull it out. There we go. Laws of physics. Okay, then what else? More foam. Get rid of that. Oh, okay. We have a flat panel here, as you can see. I don't know if you've guessed what this is yet, guys, but I will tell you afterwards. So I'll put that to one side. More plastic, get rid of that. Box is now empty, as you can see, empty. That will go into the rubbish when I finish. I'm going to put that to one side. Bring over the main part of this unboxing. Peel back the plastic. As you do. Okay. So we're getting there, guys. Let's get this bit out. There we go. More foaming. Oh, what was that? Okay. Another bit of metal. I don't know what this does, but there we go. Another chunky piece of metal. Put that to one side. There we go. And if I just unwrap this, and we are practically there, guys. Hold on, what's going on here? Okay, it's got a bit of a. Okay. It's got a strap on it, guys. Alright. Interesting. Peel back the strap. There we go. We have some paperwork. a leaflet. And what this is, guys, this is they call it a Duronic sit stand. It's a workstation. Yes, it's a workstation. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you what was in the box now. So you can see everything that was in the box. And then I'm going to place this, I'm going to build it, place it in its normal home setting. I will show you that. And then that'll be it. So guys, have a good day, look after yourself and each other, and I'll see you on the other side.